Hi there and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, I am working on my back patio for fall. Unfortunately, my back has really been giving me some trouble, so I enlisted some help. This is somebody that helps me with a lot of the landscape things around the yard and the house. So anyhow, I'm going to have him... We're going to just continue on and clean the back patio really good and power wash it and the windows and get some planting done. And then I'm going to come in and decorate. So I hope you continue watching and have a great day.
I don't want your persona. I just want to be real with you tonight. Can I have you alone now? I just want to reveal what's on my mind. You tell me that you're used to no feelings, but I'm gonna change it. Yeah, you'll be awakened. Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel that good love working on you. On you. You got a bad reputation. People tell me your heart is cold as ice, but I think you're amazing. I will show you the art of paradise. You tell me that you're used to no dreaming, but I'm gonna change it. Yeah, I'll take you straight to Wonderland. Cause when my love starts working on you, it'll take your breath away like never before. And as soon as I go na 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 na, it'll make you feel that good love working on you. On you. On you. I know it's hard to break through the chains, but I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna reach you. Cause when my Cause when my Cause when my
Remember, pillow covers are a great way to decorate for any kind of season. You can keep them in a bin outside. They're great for the inside and they're great for outside because instead of purchasing, multiple pillows, you can just have a pillow cover and change out for different decors or different seasons, and it just works out great. And I've also found in this season, this fall year, Amazon has had some really great deals, really cute pillow covers and also throws. I got this beautiful yellow colored throw through Amazon, and it's extremely soft and cozy.
It'll make you feel that good
Did Mimi lose her? No, no, that's not a pumpkin. Did Mimi lose her pumpkins to you? Tutti Frutti. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. How do you walk in a line? Show me how you walk in the line. Show me your behind your back. Walk in a line behind your back. Yeah, show me how you do that. Go like this. Yep, come on, let's go for a walk. Good girl. Is that what you're learning at school? To walk in a line? That's right, look forward. Look forward. You don't want to mess up. Good girl, you're a good walker. Okay, let's go get our pumpkins.
I fall behind every time that you're around. And it's a lie when I say that I'll be fine, I'll be fine. And in the night I tend to lose my sight. I fade out within the moving lights. But I got time, that's why I'm breathing now. I can see through my feelings now. I can see clear through my mind. And the secret is to shut my eyes, and see through my mind. I can see through my feelings now. I can see clear through my mind. And the secret is to shut my eyes, and see through my mind. I stay alive because I feel ready now. I see red, I feel blue, but it's all black and white. It's black and white. And in the night I tend to lose my sight. I fade out within the moving lights. But I got time, that's why I'm breathing now. I can see through my feelings now. I can see clear through my mind. And the secret is to shut my eyes, and see through my mind. I can see through my feelings now. I can see clear through my mind. And the secret is to shut my eyes, and see through my mind. To see through my mind. To see through my mind. See through my but baby, I do.
Thank you so much for watching today. I hope I gave you some good ideas. I gave you a little bit of an inspiration to decorate your back patio, your front patio, whatever it may be, just putting your own little spin on it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please make sure you go in and hit the subscribe and the notification with the notification bell hitting all. And I look forward to seeing you in the next videos. Have a great day. Bye.